Hiya folks, it's Sunday the 22nd of November and I'm down at Hythe Beach. So for those of you that know the area, I'm just by the white shelter on Princess Parade. Got two rods out, one with herring and one with lug and bluey. Let's see how it does. So as with my last video, I've brought the Daiwa rods out, but just for a change I brought my old original Penn Super Mags out, just give them a bit of an airing. As you can see, they're seen better days, a little bit tatty, but I've always serviced them so they run sweet as a nut, even though they don't look particularly lovely. There's a nice bit of swell building now. There's plenty of colour in the water. The wind's dropped, so hopefully we might see a fish. Fingers crossed. 2.5 hours after low tide now, and from experience I tend to find it fishes well just after the flood starts, so hopefully it'll pick up a bit. We've been down here for probably nearly a couple of hours now and haven't had a bite at all yet, but the beach is completely empty, so let's just see what happens. Age-old trick works. Just got something to eat. Sure as anything, you'll probably get a bite as soon as you put it in your mouth. That old rod will rattle. Just as I said, as soon as the old food goes in the mouth, there it is. First of probably a million whiting. Still keep on at it. So guys, there's absolutely bugger all going on the fish front. I had one whiting in about 3 hours so far. I'm hoping the best part of the tide's still to come, but I thought while I was sitting here, I'll show you a cheap little multi-pronged baiting tool I've made. So there it is. How many has it got on it? 2, 4... There's about 5 or 6 prongs on it, all stainless steel, and basically all it is a balloon whisk out of Asda's. I think it was about £2, and then just cut the wires down. But it's brilliant if you've got really soft stuff like mussels or prawns or something like that you want to bait on, so you can just plonk it on there, plenty of bait elastic, and away you go. socially distanced fishing with. Just had a ray of about £5. I'll stick a still in of it here. He's smiling from one ear to the other. So still hope for me to catch something. I've got a feeling my little stinger rod might have a whiting on it, so it's that one there. Just got a little tiny size 4 hook with like a 4.0 or 5.0 sitting behind it, and I do believe there's something on there now, so I'm going to leave that out there and just ignore it unless it bends over completely. The other rod is still sitting out there. It's got a whole squid on it now, still on a pulley pennel. So just holding out for one big fish. Well guys, just exactly as expected, it's been a bit of a whiting fest. The light's starting to go now. It's not that late, it's only 4:20, so probably going to hang on for a little while. But as far as filming's concerned, I'm going to call it a day, unless I get anything big, in which case I shall put it in at the end under torchlight. If not, keep safe. This is your boy Chunky out. Just for a bit of variety, just had the tiniest little baby doggy that you've ever seen. Must be one of this year's ones. Greedy bugger took a whole squid on a size 4.0. You see, ain't much thicker than my thumb. I'll get him back in.